What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. For years, the Lexus IS 500 has been the best-kept secret in the sports sedan world. A compact luxury sedan with a snarling, naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 stuffed under the hood. But times are changing. Electric is the future. And this is our first look at the next generation, the 2026 Lexus IS 500. And folks, Lexus is not playing around. Just look at this front end. That massive, controversial spindle grille, it's evolved. This isn't a grille anymore. It's the Spindle Body. This sealed-off, aggressive design, seen in image 1, tells you one thing: electrification. The headlights are razor-sharp, and you get this full-width light bar connecting them with the Lexus logo lit up right in the center. This thing looks like a concept car that escaped onto the street. And check out the side profile. That roofline is so much sleeker, almost a fastback design. The flush door handles, the sharp creases, and those turbine-style black wheels, it all screams performance. It's low, it's wide, and it looks incredibly athletic. But the rear is my favorite part. Just like the front, you get that full-width LED light bar with the Lexus branding spelled out. Notice what's missing: exhaust pipes. No more iconic quad-stack tips. This is our biggest clue as to what's underneath. All right, let's hop inside. Lexus has completely gutted this cabin. Say goodbye to that clunky old touchpad. Look at this driver cockpit in image 2. You've got a massive central touchscreen, likely running the latest Lexus interface. Ahead of it, a full digital instrument cluster. The design is minimalist with wood trim accents and subtle ambient lighting, seen in image 1 on the doors. And look up! That massive panoramic roof is going to make this cabin feel incredibly airy. The two-tone beige and black seats look supportive and seriously premium. This is where high-tech meets that classic Lexus luxury. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This is the IS 500. The 500 traditionally meant that 5.0-liter V8, but looking at this design, the sealed grille, the lack of exhaust pipes, it's almost certain that V8 is retired for the IS. So what replaces it? The biggest speculation is that the new IS 500 will either be all-electric or a high-performance hybrid. If it's an EV, the 500 will be a performance badge similar to what Mercedes does with 53 or 63 on their EQ models. We're likely looking at a dual-motor setup, Lexus's direct 4 all-wheel drive, putting down well over 500 horsepower of instant torque. The other possibility is a hybrid powertrain. Maybe a twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor, similar to what we've seen in the Lexus TX 550h Plus lineup. Either way, one thing is for sure: the IS 500 is going to be very, very fast. So, what's all this new tech and style gonna cost? The current 2025 IS 500 starts around $64,000. For this tech-heavy, next-generation 2026 model, I'm expecting a price hike, likely landing in the $68,000 to $72,000 starting range. And for that money, it's walking into a major fight. The competition: the BMW i4 M50, the prime EV competitor. Incredibly fast, great tech. The Tesla Model 3 Performance, the king of acceleration and charging networks. Mercedes-AMG C43. If Lexus stays hybrid, this is its direct rival. And Audi C4/S5 Sportback, the all-around balance of luxury and ultra performance. Honestly, I'm a little sad to see the naturally aspirated V8 go. It was a gem. But if this is what's replacing it, Lexus isn't just making a sports sedan. They're making a statement. The design is bold, the interior is a quantum leap, and the performance, whether electric or hybrid, is guaranteed to be blistering. BMW and Mercedes, you better be watching your backs. The new Lexus IS 500 is coming for the crown. What do you guys think of the new 2026 Lexus IS 500? Will you miss the V8, or are you all in on this bold electric future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.